Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am in Palma de Mallorca, Spain. It is one of the most beautiful places you'll ever visit. I love it so much. One of my favorite things to do is just walk around the city because it is such a beautiful city and there's always so much going on and the sights are just amazing, and I love, you know, just taking in the culture of it all. Figured today was the perfect day for us to go for a little walking tour around Palma. Now I'm starting off here at the Palma Cathedral. That big beautiful building behind me is the Palma Cathedral. It is like the landmark of Palma. It's one of those places that if you didn't get a photo with the cathedral while you were here, did you really visit Palma? It is such an amazing building. You can actually feel the energy here. It was built in 1229, so it is 791 years old. So it definitely has some history and is one of the most valuable Gothic buildings in Spain. So that is very cool, and just the ambiance around the cathedral is always like on point. Right beside the cathedral, like I guess at the base of it, it's part of it. But you walk through these gates and you're right here at this beautiful little pond, I guess you could call it. It's such a stunning little spot, and in the nighttime there's lights that like light it up down here. It's the perfect photo op place. If you're looking for like a classy backdrop, this would be that. The one thing you will never be short of here in Palma is incredible views. Like literally everywhere you go, the view is spectacular. That is one of my favorite things about this city, is you are so spoiled with, yeah, beautiful scenery. I'm not even kidding, just when I didn't think it was possible for me to love Palma anymore, I come across something like this and I love it even more. There's always something going on. You never know what's going to be around the next corner. There's always things like this. It's such a super social city. It's just a social culture, and I absolutely love it. I love that you're always in for a treat. Right now I'm walking down the Born, and the Born is lined with shops and cafes. You're gonna find your Louis Vuitton, Escada, Rolex, all like the high-end stuff is down the Born. But it's such a beautiful spot to come and have a coffee or a wine and just enjoy the whole ambiance because they're surrounded by trees and it's just beautiful. Right now I hear the birds chirping. It's just so nice. Nice, that's the only word I can think of right now. Like, it is so nice. But yeah, I love the Born. I love coming to the Born. There's always people and things going on. I'm now in the old town of Palma and I'm coming into Plaza Mayor. Plaza Mayor is really cool because it's like a whole plaza, and on every corner is different apartment buildings, but it's all enclosed, and there's always stuff usually going on in here. There's definitely like artisans, and they set up artisan booths here a lot. So it's just like really cool. You just gotta like have a peek. That was all 4 walls. Hopefully I didn't go too fast because I don't want to make you dizzy. But right now it's just after the holidays, so everything's kind of being taken down and it's a lot quieter than normal. Actually, the whole city is a lot quieter than it was, because like a week ago and all throughout December it was insane trying to walk anywhere. You were like on very crowded streets, so it was definitely like very different than right now. And I really like it right now because I like being able to just walk and feel free. Yeah, it's nice. Guys, this building right here, that is all architecture done by Gaudi. It is such a beautiful building. It's so awesome that right here in Palma we can actually like see pieces of Gaudi's work, because going to Barcelona is incredible and Gaudi, his work is just like nothing else. It's amazing. So yeah, I definitely love that aspect. Another thing about Palma is if you like to shop, there's endless shopping here. Like when we were on the board and you got to see, there is the higher end shops, and then there's a lot of like local shops where it's like from Spain, handmade in Spain, all this kind of stuff, little boutique shops. They really have everything. H&M, if you want H&M, you can literally get anything you want here. So if you're worried about not being able to find what you need, don't be worried, because here in Palma you'll be able to find what you need and more. Craving some Starbucks? There is a Starbucks right behind me. I'm in Plaza De Cort right now, and there's I forget what this building is. It's like, I'm blind, I can't see. Anyway, I'm in Plaza De Cort. There's like a government building. The building behind me with the big clock on it is the city council building. And it's just a beautiful building, and I love when the clock goes off. It sounds cool. It is cool. I like Plaza De Cort. It's cool. The most buff mannequins you're ever gonna see in your life. I love walking through the narrow streets. They have that European charm to them, and it's something that never gets old for me. I just walk through it every day and love it. It definitely never gets old. It's pretty special. And the thing is, you always find these like crazy amazing places tucked away. Like you walk through a door and then in the back is like a massive garden and this beautiful little oasis that you didn't know was there. It's like super cool. You never know what you're gonna get here. Right behind me is a place called Bardia. As you can see, Bardia is a great place to go for tapas. It gets super busy though with lots of locals, so it's not really like, yeah, tourists go there, but it's more of a local place. It's so good, so you gotta make sure you get there early. Otherwise it's pretty like jam-packed in the evenings, but so worth it. Chicken and salad. Chicken and salad and pepper padron and pane aioli, because pane aioli is like bread with like garlic mayonnaise type thing. It's so good. You just like dip the bread in it. It's so good. Even though I don't really like to eat a lot of bread, I love it here. Another one of my favorite places to walk is right here. It's like on the main road by the port, but you're surrounded by palm trees and it's just so nice. Now I'm walking through Santa Catalina. Santa Catalina is like the trendy urban area of Palma. There's lots of cafes, little bars, and restaurants, things like that. So it's a perfect place to come if you want to just enjoy a nice atmosphere and have a good time with your friends. Here, guys, is called the Paseo. It also has loads of bars, restaurants, nightclubs, all that kind of stuff, and it goes all the way down. I feel like this is one of those cities that like there's always something new to discover. I could walk around here every day and never tire of it and totally see something different every day. There's so many different walkways and paths and the sidewalks and stuff that come out of nowhere. So yeah, it's always something good going on. And this January weather is fantastic. The weather's been phenomenal. Look at this. I just have to wear like a little jacket, light jacket, scarf. At night it gets a bit chilly, but it's amazing. It's not bad at all. I love chilly because I like layering my clothes. It's like layering style. So I actually quite like it. It's hard to see, but like way up there in the distance, I think I'm pointing at it, that's the castle. And it's a great little hike if you just want to spend a couple hours. Nice little bit of a hill, so you get a little bit of a workout, and you can have a coffee up there. It's just a beautiful view of the city. So I'll definitely be making a video of that hike one of these days, so definitely stay tuned for that. It's awesome. But yeah, it's right there. Hard for me to see even. As you can see, the port is lined with yachts because this is a yachting haven. So there are so many super yachts here, and I mean, you know, super yachts, small yachts, just yachts galore. It is the place to be if you love being on the yachts or on the water or sailing or anything like that. There's orange trees everywhere. It's so cool. I love the oranges in Spain. They're so like flavorful, and it's the place to be if you want fresh squeezed orange juice, because pretty much every restaurant and cafe has the machine that just like puts the oranges in and it makes you fresh orange juice right there. It's like, it's just a thing. There's so many oranges here. So that's one thing that I definitely love, a good old glass of fresh orange juice. One of my absolute favorite things to do when I'm walking around Palma is stop and get a nice coffee, because the coffee here is so good. I mean, the coffee in Europe is always good, I think, but it's one of my absolute favorite things to do. I'm a total people watcher, and because there's always so much going on here, it's a perfect city to sit and have a coffee and just people watch and enjoy your own company. A must do when you're walking around the city. The establishment behind me is called Baluard, and it's here at the museum. It is one of the best spots in Palma to come and have a sundowner drink, because the sunsets here are amazing and you have an incredible view. Well, I am finishing off my day with a nice glass of vino and a tapa, sitting by the fire. That's one thing I love about Mallorca in the winter, is every patio, almost every patio, not every patio, but almost every patio has fires. So you can sit by the fire, and there's blankets on the chairs, so you can cover up if you're cold, and you can just enjoy a nice drink and a little snack. So I just got something simple. I got some patata bravas. And you know, I just worked up a little appetite walking around today, so just a nice little tapa and a glass of wine, because that is a very typical thing to do here. Isn't this place amazing? I absolutely love it here. I never tire of the culture and just walking around and taking it all in, because it's just, yeah, awesome high vibe place. So I'm super glad I got to show you guys around today. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button to make sure you're notified every time I post a video. And if you love Palma as much as I do, please give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you soon, guys.